So as you can see here, this is the machine to create all the lights. There are 3 kinds of them. You have a control over the light and another over the model. As you can see here, this is Batman. And let's give it a light. Push down button, you can create a light. For this model, let's do a 3-point lighting. So as you can see, you can change the intensity of the light and also the color temperature. For the fill light and rim light, I want it to be more warm, and for the key light, I want it to be bluish. So after you finish, you can push down the trigger, and now you can see the model without any UI to block your way. And also, it is the size that you wanted to see it. So for this model, it doesn't change size, but for the others, it will. So now let's change a model. So as you can see, here is a mountain. And let's give it some light. Put a directional light to it. Give it a visible lighting. So what I want to show you here is that I also have a control over the shader that I created, and I can put any parameter on this control. So this is the moss shader, and as you can see, I am changing the amount of moss on the mountain right now. So I can change it in the toy size, and also I can change it in real size, which is very nice. Great. You can see the mountain from very green to bare. Let's go back and stand up. Yeah. So for this one, I'll just show some functions of the lights. So get rid of all the lights I don't want. And now I will put a spotlight that will emphasize our actor, which is the little lizard wizard. And I can change the size of the UI. I can also change the cone angle for the spotlight. Now this is the finished thing, and I can just go and check it out. See this little lizard wizard, lonely and alone at night on the street. From all kinds of angles. Great. Another thing I want to show you is it is very convenient for me to debug the shaders and see if there are some flaw in the model. So for this one, I create a snow shader. However, as you can see here, the model is broken. So I can just change the value and find that problem. Lastly, let's see a mesh light. So this is a mesh light that can light the scene. And that shader is just changing the rainbow color according to which angle you look at it. So thank you.